Welcome to the Mill Brook Railroad, and this video is going to be just a little bit different from our normal videos. Cleaning out the car at the end of the run.
Well, this one's a little overdue, I'll admit that.
Yeah. One of these days I gotta replace the lenses in this camera.
You can replace the lenses?
Yeah.
Oh. I've got a microfiber cloth in the back of my phone case if you need it.
Oh no, these are...
Or is this scratches?
It's inside the lenses. Yeah.
You're getting that
Getting
old
that,
lens glare.
getting that lens flare, yeah.
I don't know, some rail fans love that.
Okay. Well,
Anyways.
you know what time it is? It's chase time.
DPU, alright.
Now here's what makes this video different from most of the other videos we do here on the Mill Brook Railroad. We're getting ready to go on a trip, and most of the time I will load the locomotive and a small, short riding car into the back of my car on a sheet of plywood that's got some tie-down loops on it. But the exception this time is, there are a couple of cars that I need to take to a very specific place, and they are too long for my car. For occasions like that, I have a trailer. It's a small 4x8 trailer, but it does the job fine. I don't have any cars longer than that I ever need to transport, and I suppose if I ever get the opportunity, I'll figure something out. But there's something very particular about one of these cars, which you'll see very shortly. But first, I might as well show you some of the chaos that surrounds loading the trailer. You might enjoy the show, I guess. Maybe? Well, you're probably thinking, it's just loading a trailer. How complicated could this be? I mean, it all seems simple enough. It's a light trailer, pick up the tongue, tilt the bed back over the track, and load it up. How hard could it be, right? Well, up to this point, I thought everything was going quite smoothly until I heard this.
And before we load up the 70, do you want to use it to push up the gondolas that we're taking with us?
Oh, yeah, probably a good idea.
That one's staying, it's the silver one.
Oh. Well, this changes everything. Oh yeah, that's the sad one.
Yeah, the sad one. For those of you guys wondering what this black gondola that's been in sidings off the track, just kind of a background gag at this point.
I'll show you right here. You gonna put that thing back on the track now?
Sure. I mean,
Maybe not.
yeah, maybe not.
Maybe that's condemned. We've never condemned a car before. Well, wait a minute. Maybe we have once, but it's been a while. I'd say, yeah, that's condemnable.
The word kaput does not begin to describe how bad this is.
Very true. Very true. That is a very unfortunate angle that axle's at.
I can't even. I can't even put it back down. There we go, all better. And I thought the bearings on this car were bad.
Yeah, no.
Oh, that's bad.
Yes, you saw right. The truck fell completely apart. Oh, you're gonna manly Dan it. I was gonna come over there and help you. I honestly didn't expect to see Eric lift this car wholesale. Okay, He-Man, how's your back feel after that?
Actually, not terrible.
Oh, okay. All right, we gotta switch this, don't we?
That was quick.
Yeah. I'll load this up onto the trailer. Oh, I gotta get the switch, don't I?
Either you were going to walk down or I was going to walk down. One or the other.
Yeah, conductor's walk of shame. Oh, no, that's not that day yet.
No, you didn't have an air hose break 50 cars back.
No, true. I guess we'll call this load double stack gondolas. I do know one thing. If I ship it like this, it's going to destroy one of these cars. So we're going to put some wood in between them. So, you lift one end, I'll put a sticker under. We'll start on this end.
The light end.
Sticker end. Sorry.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. We can tie these together with a strap. Next thing, we've got to load it onto the trailer and maybe drop the camera. Like that. Oops.
Hi, YouTube. You can use the 70 to push.
Good.
Yeah. Well, that made it much easier.
Every time I load this way, I think maybe I should build a loading plate. And every time I get done with a run, I forget about making a loading plate.
Alright, that's the trailer. Alright, I will lift the knuckle. There we are.
You're on. Like Donkey Kong. Hold that right there.
Yeah. Oh, hold on, I'll go get a skate. This'll easily skate, right? Think a skate will hold this?
Sure, Dave. Alright, so we've belly wrapped it right here in the middle. That means we've strapped it around that
that piece of the frame. And once we get this tightened down, it's going to lock it in. It says right here in fine print, anyway. So, belly wrap it.
You want this twist out of it?
Nope, I want that twist in it. Just a single twist. That'll keep it from vibrating. And the other side I'm not too worried about, but I mean, I should put a twist in the other one, but I'm not a professional trucker, so
We'll have Steve help us when we get there.
yeah.
It's also been a while since you've had to load the trailer.
It has been a while since I've loaded the trailer.
I gotta stop for gas on the way there.
It's been a while since I've stopped for gas.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll admit it. This part went better in my head.
One click at a time, and it didn't cost me a dime. It's not the right word, therefore we are okay.
It's a parody. Maybe it's only a single D, but anyway, whatever it is, it's supposed to be funny.
For those who know, you know.
Anytime you have excess strap, you gotta tie it down.
Maybe this'll do it? I don't know.
You know, so it doesn't flop in
Yeah.
the breeze.
Well, what that part's just to keep it from flapping in the wind, right?
Yeah, it is.
Okay,
So,
that ought to do it.
yeah, we'll see. I mean, if it comes undone, we'll just come back and retie it. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't plan on going over 60 miles an hour. That looks stable.
Just don't take the Black Bear Road.
Now that shake test might have looked a bit sketchy, but it's not gonna fall off, believe me. Now it's time to load the locomotive. And first I've got to move the trailer over.
That looks good.
And once again, I'm thinking about making a loading plate. Which, watching this again while editing, reminds me I forgot to do again.
Okay.
So like
Yeah.
tape or something. Here, you grab that and I'll go get this one. Oops.
Yeah, my heart about jumped into my throat at that one. We nearly tipped it over. Now let's safely get the front end on.
Here. Oh, there it goes.
Had to get my foot off it. All right, so I've got it tied down with turnbuckles. I like turnbuckles. And hopefully that's anchor enough in the X-Track. I used to have a different setup where I'd lock into the couplers, but I couldn't find any of those U-bolts that I used to use. But they would get loose anyway. I'd have to check the load at least once on a trip. We'll see how these do. I mean, what's the worst could happen? Let's not think about that. Never mind. We'll just check it a couple of times on the trip.
To be honest, I was joking.
So anyway, yeah, that's tying a train down in the back of a 4x8 trailer with X-Track in it and some rails. Not sure what else to say about that. Bon voyage.
Now that I'm editing it, I know what to say. Thanks for watching. Join us over on Patreon, patreon.com/Mill Brook Railroad. Like, share, subscribe.